Are you tired of the same old gluten-free breakfast routine? Maybe you find yourself reaching for the same bland cereal or dry toast every morning, just wishing for something a little more exciting. If you're feeling uninspired by your current breakfast options, you're definitely not alone. I get it. Breakfast should be exciting, not boring. It's the first meal of the day, and it sets the tone for everything that follows. Why settle for less when you can start your morning with something vibrant, delicious, and energizing? Today, I'm sharing my top 5 gluten-free breakfasts that'll kickstart your day with flavor, energy, and zero gluten worries. These recipes are not only safe for those with gluten sensitivities, but they're also packed with nutrients and taste so good, everyone at the table will want a bite. Grab your coffee, and let's dive in. Whether you're a breakfast lover or someone who usually skips it, these ideas are sure to tempt your taste buds. First up, avocado toast with a twist. This isn't your average avocado toast, it's a flavor-packed, nutrient-rich breakfast that's as beautiful as it is tasty. Forget regular bread, grab your favorite gluten-free loaf, toast a slice and top it with creamy avocado, a squeeze of lemon, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. The lemon adds brightness, while the red pepper gives it a gentle kick. I love adding a poached egg for protein. The runny yolk mixes with the avocado for a rich, satisfying bite that keeps you full for hours. It's simple, satisfying, and you won't miss the gluten for a second. Plus, you can get creative. Try adding sliced radishes, microgreens, or even a sprinkle of feta cheese for extra flavor. Breakfast idea number 2, berry chia pudding. This is a make-ahead breakfast that's perfect for busy mornings or meal prep. Mix chia seeds with almond milk, a dash of vanilla, and let it sit overnight in the fridge. The seeds absorb the liquid and turn into a thick pudding-like treat. In the morning, layer it with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. You can use strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or whatever fruit you love most. The texture is dreamy, and it's packed with fiber to keep you full all morning. Plus, chia seeds are loaded with omega-3s and antioxidants, making this breakfast as healthy as it is delicious. Make a few jars ahead of time, and you'll have a grab-and-go breakfast ready for the whole week. No excuses for skipping breakfast. On to number 3, sweet potato breakfast hash. This hearty dish is a colorful way to pack in veggies first thing in the morning. Dice up some sweet potatoes and sauté them with bell peppers, onions, and spinach. The sweet potatoes get crispy on the outside and tender inside, while the veggies add crunch and flavor. I like to toss in a handful of black beans for extra staying power. The beans add protein and fiber, making this a complete meal. This hash is colorful, hearty, and totally customizable. Plus, it's naturally gluten-free. Top it with a fried egg or a dollop of salsa for even more flavor. Next, let's talk about Greek yogurt parfaits. These are perfect for when you want something sweet, creamy, and packed with protein. Start with plain Greek yogurt, then add gluten-free granola, your favorite fruits, and a spoonful of nut butter. The granola gives you crunch, the fruit adds natural sweetness, and the nut butter brings healthy fats. I love how easy this is to assemble, even on a busy weekday. You can even prep the ingredients the night before for a super quick morning meal. The creamy, crunchy, sweet combo just hits the spot every time. Try switching up the fruits or using different nut butters to keep things interesting. And finally, my go-to, oatmeal power bowls. Oats are a classic breakfast staple, but with a few tweaks, they become a powerhouse meal. Use certified gluten-free oats, cook them up with almond milk, and top with sliced bananas, walnuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. The almond milk makes it creamy, while the toppings add texture and flavor. Sometimes I'll add a spoonful of peanut butter or a few dark chocolate chips if I'm feeling indulgent. You can also try adding berries, seeds, or coconut flakes for variety. It's cozy, filling, and endlessly customizable. Oatmeal bowls are perfect for chilly mornings or when you need something extra comforting. So there you have it, 5 gluten-free breakfasts that are delicious, nutritious, and anything but boring. Each one is easy to make, full of flavor, and guaranteed to brighten your morning. Whether you're rushing out the door or savoring a slow morning, these ideas will keep you fueled and happy. No gluten required. You can mix and match them throughout the week to keep things fresh and exciting. If you try any of these, let me know your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear your twists or see your breakfast creations. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gluten-free tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with even more delicious ideas to start your day right.